So good morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping in and hanging out. I'm Rich, the channel host, and I've been a very negligent channel host over the past month and a half, and that's all going to be put behind us. But before we get into the new stuff, I just want to recap. So what really went on in August? A sinus infection, full-blown weird cold, cracked tooth, antibiotics for both Jody and myself, and that all went into September as well. And we're still doing some follow-ups with my dentist. I've got another post-op with the dentist next week, so we'll get all those things cleared away. In addition to that, August was weird. The temperatures, the heat, the type of heat that we were experiencing. Unfortunately, it's starting to cool off a bit here again. So getting out and getting my walks done again. So there's the recap. It was a sick house, two wiped out people, um, fevers and antibiotics and all that kind of stuff. So real life stuff that sometimes will interfere with your drone business or any other business for that matter. And these things do pop up, and you just got to roll with the punches until you're feeling better. So there you go. Fast recap on August, September. Here I am. It is September 12th, and I am feeling much better. Now, let's shift to the next thing that you see up on screen right now, which is the Arizona Drone class site. But this is a little different. So in July and into August, we started working with a new company called FreshLearn, and they said that they could help us migrate all of our students from the Teachable platform that we've been on for years to FreshLearn. So why did we make a move to FreshLearn? It's quite simple. The Teachable sites have gotten extremely expensive over the past couple of years, basically a 300% increase in the price of their plans. And given the fact that some of the services that they offered weren't necessary for us, and other services that we did want weren't really available without paying more money, we got to the point where we said we do have to make a shift. And so that shift has been basically made. We have actually ported over all of our current students, and we sent out information to all of our students via Teachable, and we've sent out multiple notifications. The Teachable site goes dormant on September 17th. There's nothing that you really need there. And so for all current students, if you haven't gone to sign up on the new FreshLearn site, that's okay. You can sign up on it at any time. But before it slips your mind, you might want to just go ahead and make that change. So what you're looking on screen right now is the link to Arizona Drone's Complete Class Bundle, which looks just like the one that we had on Teachable, offers all the same classes. And so that is 18 classes in there. But you don't have to just do the class bundle. That does include all of those courses. You can also do individual courses with us as well. I'm just going to click over on here. And we also do have our individual class selection. So this is live. If you go to ArizonaDroneClasses.com, you'll find this site, and it's live and ready to take your orders if you're looking to purchase any of our courses, or if you just want to take a look around, you can do that as well. And one thing that you should note, all of the classes that we have listed here do have a couple of free previews. So if you're not sure, you're on the fence, you've seen me on YouTube, go ahead and check the videos out, and you can look at the first two previews in each of these. Okay, so if we go over into here to one of our more popular videos recently, a video series using WordPress for your custom client websites. We've been getting a lot of inquiries from folks because they're looking for ways to deliver to their clients, just like we're looking for ways to deliver to our clients. Unique, stylized, and informative. These are the things we're going for. So yeah, go ahead and step on by. And as you see, so curriculum for this one, the first two have these little eye things because you can watch the videos for free. So if we go back to any of our other classes, let's just pick the residential drone one. There we go, follow along. And once again, we've got the eye on there for watching these for free. One other thing before we get going, before we leave for the day, because I got to get back to work. On the individual class selections, I started out with some of my favorite videos that we've done for our students. Our residential drone construction course, that custom drone deliverables, the drone construction progression reporting, making money with your drone, the drone construction progression job with Litchi, and then Litchi waypoints for missions. If you are looking to get into mapping and modeling, these are going to go a long way to help you do your planning and then do your execution over and over again for your clients. So we take you through all of that in these 6 courses. We also do offer 20% off for individual courses, so if you want to, you can check that out. All right, finally, with that plug gone and with letting you know where it is gone, I will say that we are doing a couple other side jobs. We're doing some strange things that clients have asked us for. So we're putting together a network of live cams in northern Arizona for a client of ours who we had helped out with a live stream before and with their own podcast show. So over the past couple of days, we've been getting different components in, and we're building out this network for them. And here we have the new Mac Mini M4. And yes, so that's part of the setups that we're doing for these customers. And we're doing several setups. But yesterday we spent a fair bit of time testing, connecting, and working with a Ricoh camera to showcase some unique locations in northern Arizona. So that is another side job that we're doing, kind of a very big twist away from just doing the drone work. But these are some of the other skill sets that we have. So we're building a website for these folks, building these connections for live streams all over northern Arizona, and expanding this more. And it all came about because of a job we did for a client a couple of years ago. And so these other folks saw what we did and said, hey, we want to do that too. So that is one of the other things that's occupying my time right now, getting these ready to go live for the clients. And these will be going live in 2 weeks after our last conversation with the clients. But hey, getting things prepped now is a great idea. So all right, everybody, we're going to get back into some regular courses here, some tutorials, some talks about mapping and modeling, and other ways to showcase your work, of course. So video, what do you call it? Video time lapses, still time lapses, and doing several more projects that all require the types of things that we do on our See My Build website. So if you don't know what that is, pop by seemybuild.com and you'll see what's going on over there. All right, everybody, fully caught up. So we'll see some new videos again next week.